Hello students, we are doing exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 relations and functions of class 12th. So this is question number 2. In this question we have to show that the relation R in the set of real numbers defined as, so this is defined as R is equals to A comma B such that A is less than equals to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So it's already given that this function is none of these. We just have to show it. Okay, so let's start. So first one, let's show for reflexive. See, for reflexive relation, we know that in this relation A comma A, it should belongs to R. So A comma A, it should belongs to R. Now A comma A, we have to check, is it satisfying? A comma A means the element should be same. So let's check that. See, we have to choose the elements from the set of real numbers. See this bold R they have written. So this is a set of real numbers. So real number means every number on a number line, positive, negative, fraction, zero. So anything we have to see and we have to check whether this result is true for all the real numbers. See, if for single real number also this result is not true, that means the given relation is not reflexive. Okay, so let us give one example. Let us do this question with the help of one example. You can see here, so normal number will not take here because they have mentioned real number. So let's take some fractions. So suppose I have ordered pair like this, 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. See, 1 by 2 also we know it's real number. Now let's check. See, we know we have to check whether this relation is satisfied or no. What is the relation? Relation is A is less than equals to B square. The first element is A, second is B. So let B. So you can see here 1 by 2 is not less than equals to 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Because 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 is 0.5 and 1 by 4 is 0.25. So 0.5 is not less than 0.25. So that means this ordered pair 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, it doesn't belongs to R. So if it doesn't belong, that this means this relation is not reflexive. Not reflexive. Now let's check for symmetric. For symmetric we know if A1 comma A2 belongs to R, it implies A2 comma A1 should also belongs to R. So basically this thing we have to check here. This thing we have to check. See, any element so for this one, if you want, you can take decimals, fractions and decimals means same thing. You can take positive, negative, anything is fine. So simple, normal, whole number or natural number also for this one, if you take, it will not be satisfied. You can see here, if I have 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, I know 1 is less than equals to 2 square. 2 square means 4. See, B square, it is mentioned here. See, you can see, so B is square. So this is A, this is B. So square of B, that means square of 2 is 4. So 1 is less than equals to 4. This thing belongs to this given relation R. But if I check this thing, you can see here, now A2. What is A2? A2 is 2. So 2 comma 1, if I see here, 2 comma 1. So 2 is less than equals to 1 square. 1 square is 1. So this thing is not true. This thing is not true because 2 is not less than 1. 2 is more than 1. So this thing I can say 2 comma 1 doesn't belongs to the given relation. So which implies this one is not symmetric. So that's what we have to show. It's already given that the given relation is not symmetric, not reflexive and not transitive. So we have shown this one is not symmetric and not reflexive. Now let's do for transitive also. Third one is transitive. See, for transitive, we know if A1 comma A2 and A2 comma A3, if these two belongs to R, it implies A1 comma A3, that means the first and last one, A1 comma A3 also should belongs to R. So here this part we have to check. This part what we have to do? This part we have to check. Now let's take different ordered pairs. So anything, because we have to choose the numbers from the set of real numbers. So I'm just going to choose a random numbers, because if the result is not true for even a single number, that means this this relation won't be transitive. So I'm just going to choose ordered pairs 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 1.5. So these two ordered pairs, if you apply the relation, what is the relation? That A is less than equals to B square. So you can see for both it is satisfied. So 3 is less than equals to 4. Yes, this is true. And 2 is less than equals to 2.25. So this is true. So these things belongs to R. We know, because these things are always true. That is how we choose these ordered pairs. Now let's check for A1 and A3. A1 is what? 3. A3 is 1.5. So if 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 1.5, they belongs to R. I have to check whether 3 comma 1.5, see first and last, do these also belongs to the given relation? So let's check. So 3 is less than equals to B square. B square is what? Square of 1.5, which is 2.25. So we know 3 is not less than this. So this is not less than 2.25. So that means 3 comma 1.5 doesn't belongs to R. So here we can conclude that the given relation is not transitive as well. So this type of question, with the help of counter examples, we have to do. So opposite examples we have to do. See, don't take very simple numbers, because if you are taking 1, 2 and 2, 3, definitely you will be able to prove that this result is true. So we have to think about those numbers, because any real number. So the relation should be true for all the real numbers. So some different types of real numbers we have to think. Okay, so like here, with examples we have to do. You can see for all three, I have taken different examples. For reflexive 1 by 2, 1 by 2, so fractional. Symmetric, it was easier to do with the simple numbers, because it will, for simple whole numbers also, it will not be satisfied. And for again transitive, I took decimals. Now let's do next question, question number 3. In question number 3, again we have to check whether the relation R defined in the set. So relation is defined from this set. So what is the relation? Relation is R is equals to AB such that B is equals to A plus 1. B is equals to A plus 1. Is it reflexive, symmetric or transitive? So let's check this. So this one is very simple to check, because set is already given to us. So ordered pair we have to choose from this set, Cartesian product of this set with itself. So from there we will be getting, so that Cartesian product we don't have to write, we know the relation is already given to us. We just have to check. So first one is reflexive. So reflexive, it's clearly visible, it won't be reflexive. Why? Because we know for reflexive, this type of element should belongs to R. A comma A should belongs to R. But here if I see, if I take say from this one, because element should be taken only from this one, I should have this type of ordered pairs. I should have this type of ordered pairs. Okay, once I'll write. So this is reflexive. So ordered pair should be like 1 comma 1, then 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 3, then 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. Because for all elements of this set, I should have ordered pairs like this. The duplet should be there. Okay, so you can see here B is A plus 1. B is A plus 1. But here you can see all the elements, they are equal to each other. So B is A plus 1 means B is greater than 1, which is not true for this one. So we can see all these does not belongs to R, because they should satisfy this thing that B is equals to A plus 1. So this thing is not satisfied. So what this thing is telling us? This thing is telling us B is equals to A. Instead of B is equals to A plus 1, here we are, for reflexive relation, here B is equals to A we are getting. Okay, so which is not satisfied by the given relation. So we can write this relation is not reflexive. So ordered pairs you can write, and you can write that these ordered pairs does not belong to R. Therefore, the given relation is not reflexive. So those sentences you can write. Second one, symmetric. Symmetric also you can see. For symmetric, I should have this type of relation. So few ordered pairs you can write. So 1 comma 2 should be there. For that 2 comma 1 should be there. For symmetric, we know if A comma B I have in the relation, I should also have B comma A. So this is for symmetric relation. I hope you remember now. So many questions we have done. If AB I have in the relation, I should have BA also in the relation, then the given relation will be symmetric. Now you can see if I have 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2, see it is satisfying. So for all the ordered pairs I am not writing, with 1 only we will prove that this is not symmetric. See here I can see this is A, this is B. Here for this one, B is equals to A plus 1. A is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. But here A is 2 and B is 1. For this one, B is not equals to A plus 1. For both the ordered pairs, B should be equals to A plus 1. But B is equals to A plus 1 for first ordered pair. But this is not true for the second ordered pair, the symmetric ordered pair of 1 comma 2. So this thing will be there for all other ordered pair also. So therefore I can from here I can write that this type of ordered pairs A comma B will be there, but B comma A doesn't belongs to R. So example we have already written. So therefore we can write the given relation is not symmetric. Now transitive. So we have to check whether the given relation is transitive or not. So for transitivity, we know if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C should also belongs to R. So let's check. So I'm just from the given set only we have to write the ordered pairs. So A comma B means, so B you have to remember B is equals to A plus 1. So I will have this type of ordered pair. Suppose I have here 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. See these two, they are satisfying this. So first one is A, second one is B. First one is A, second one is B. So here you can see B is equals to what? A plus 1. A is what? 1. So I have written here 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. And then for this one also if I see B, B is the second element. This is A plus 1. A is what? 2. 2 plus 1 is equals to what? 3. So that means these two belongs to R. But I have to check. I have to check whether 1 comma 3, because if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, AC should also belongs to R. So here A, so this one is C, this is A, this is B, this is B, this is C. In that way I am writing now. So I should have 1 comma 3 also belonging to R. So you have to check here A is 1 and B is 3. So B, it is not equals to A plus 1. It is not equal, so that I can say this one, this ordered pair 1 comma 3 doesn't belong to R, which implies given relation is not transitive.